So hello, I'm Andy Taylor and I'll be your Nunchaku instructor today. Today we're here to learn reverse redirects and they look like that. And they're really cool. This whole video is timestamped for your convenience in the description below. I've also placed quite a few playlists. If you enjoy this content, I'll definitely recommend going over there. I'd also ask you to subscribe, leave us a like and a comment because that is going to go in my favour in the algorithm and that's going to help me grow and that is my end goal. I'd also ask you to smash that notification bell to get notified when I release the latest content. Please enjoy the tutorial, guys. So let's start off with some chucks which are slightly a little bit more visible. So we're going to start off learning the bicep catch, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to almost draw this oval circle. So instead of doing our standard propeller spin like this, we're almost going to draw an oval. And that is going to be very, very important for successfully doing this move, okay? I learned this from Ken Hill. He taught me how to pad the nunchuck. So as you're rotating this in this oval pattern, yeah, you're going to basically bicep catch this. So as this is falling down, that will kind of pad the impact on your bicep here. Which is going to be very helpful for you moving on to learning your reverse redirects. So I'm going to show this move now in slow motion. So next of all, what you then need to do, okay, is you've got this this on your bicep. So I'm going to show you from this angle because it's going to be a lot more easier for you to understand what's going on. So this hand here, okay, you need to get below the rope, down here. And almost put your hand underneath the stick that you're holding. See, I'm holding this with my right hand here. And I'm going to move my left hand below the rope. Do you see how it's below the rope? My rope's here. And I'm going to go below the rope. But I'm moving behind this stick, okay? So my hand's moving behind and going underneath. This is going to be very, very important for actually getting your reverse redirect. So now if you notice how I've got this kind of clutched on my bicep here, but this landed on top of my palm. All I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this out and then collapse this here. So how you collapse it right at the end, so as I'm going here, I'm going to move my hand below the rope here and push out a little bit, okay? From there, I'm going to pull this out in this direction. But what you want to do is you want to grab halfway down the stick because that is how we're going to actually collapse this like this. See, because if we hold this at the top, yeah, we're just going to catch the rope and this is just going to be a big floppy mess, which obviously we don't want, okay? So that's just a little tip for you while we're getting on with this, okay? So we're going for the bicep catch. We're bringing this hand behind this stick here, okay? And we're bringing it beneath the rope. From there, we're going to pull this out, okay? But we need to catch this stick here to collapse this. So that, all in one move, looks like this. It's a lot more basic than it looks, okay? So I really do hope this tutorial helps you out. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Please do remember to check those links in the description below. And I'll see you next time, guys.